Assalamu alaikum. I am going to talk about the importance of English. English is a majorly foreign language which is used to speak America and Europe. So it is a British language. Nowadays, not only foreigners but Indians have also started to teach their children English at an early age in their schools. So we are not native speakers but we also used to speak English. English is an official language which helps the peoples to communicate not only in India but overall world. If you speak Kannada, it is limited up to in Karnataka. If you speak Hindi, it is limited up to India. But if you used to speak English, it is unlimited through world. Nowadays, technical, scientific, medical and various researchers are also dependent on the English language only. In the modern era of technology, people use the internet to get something information about smallest to biggest things in English language generally. All the kinds of informations available in books, newspapers, magazines, novels are also available on internet through English language. English is also called as the strongest and helpful global language, which can also as a language of business. If you want to work in foreign country, in staying in India, you should be able to speak English. If you will become a speaker of English, you can do your own business with the peoples of other country also. Thank you.
Why it is so important to speak in English?
Why it is important to speak English? MashaAllah, you said good point. But once again, you clear why it is necessary, compulsory to speak English.
By speaking English, we can communicate not only in India, but we can communicate with the other countries also.
So, how are you feeling to speak in front of all the students, especially your hijab girls? So, how are you feeling?
I am feeling very happy.
Why? What's the reason? Because I am asking this question because you are a hijab girl. You are not common student. You are a really very special. My simple question is. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Feeling good, feeling okay. Or is any hijab going to create for you for learning point of view? Is hijab going to become a problem for you while attending the classes?
No sir. No sir.
Thank you. Does anyone who want to ask question?
Nowadays, English language is compulsory in India.
Yes, it is compulsory.
MashaAllah. So what according to you, in future after 10 years, 40 years, 30 years, will India become a 100% English speaking country?
Yes, it becomes because all the old languages are become extinct. So English will become the highest
Speakers.
speakers.
Thank you very much, Baji. Clap for her, please.